cried a tear. You waited and died. I was confused. You cleared my mind. I sold my soul. You bought it back for me. I held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world all on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me. You needed me. I can't believe it's you. I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there. And I never leave. Why should I leave? I'd be a fool, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when I was cold, when I was lost. You took me home. You gave me hope when I was at end. I turned my life back into truth again. You haven't called me friend. You give me strength to stand alone again, to face the world all on my own again. You put me high up on a pedestal, so high that I almost see eternity. You needed me. You needed me. You needed me. You needed me. Oh yes, you needed me.